Hello everyone, my name is Bruno Garcia, and because my YouTube channel I received a lot of requests asking for some Nokia Olt training in English because most of my content is in Portuguese. So I finally have a completely English course, an online course for you guys. It's more than 17 hours of content explaining everything that you need to be an expert using your Nokia Olt. We take from zero to a production environment, and we provisioning some customers, everything that you guys will need to configure by yourself your Nokia Olt. So check it out, the link on the description below. If you have any question, please let me know. And I'm gonna show you guys what are the content of this course right now.
Alright guys, so when you click on the link below, you guys will open this page. This is just an introduction page, alright? So if you want to cut it out and go direct to the checkout page, just click here, become an Nokia OLT expert, or any other orange button on this page, okay? You'll be automatically redirected to the checkout page, alright? Here, why should you buy this course and what is the purpose of this training? I have a little bit about my background. Okay, what we will learn on this, so a little bit of the topics and the guarantees, and the most important, you have your 7-day guarantee or your money back. Okay, so if you buy the course and you for some reason are not satisfied with the content or any other reason, you until 7 days you can ask your money without any problem and just easy peasy, right? So this course has 9 chapters, 71 videos teaching different subjects, has more than 17 hours of content, and more than 200 people have already learned Nokia with me, how to configure it and operate and everything else using Nokia OLT. Right? Here is just a little bit about myself and my background and my professional experience. Yeah, so if you hit any other orange button here, you will be redirected to the checkout page. Okay, so if you just click here, the topics, everything that it's covered on this course. So just check it out and see if it makes sense for you guys or not. Okay, so it's a very complete course from the zero, from like no knowledge to until advanced knowledge, and the, the like the major topics here instead of the, the course itself. This course has already, all the files included. Okay, so all the files that I showed you guys on the videos will be available for you guys. So since the file to update your OLT, the files from Nokia ONTs, the firmwares, the preconfig files to use in Nokia ONTs, the spreadsheets that I developed myself, so you can like semi-automated your provisioning process, and the image for the compact flash, and a lot of different files. This course has all these files included. All right. And also we have our Telegram group. So this is other good point that you can have like direct contact with me on this Telegram group, and more and more people are buying the course. We are going to increase our community, all right, and share experience, and maybe sharing some questions, and I can help you guys. Okay, so buying this course, you will have also access to our Telegram group, all right? And when you buy this course, this is what it looks like, right? Okay, so that's the view. What you guys, when you buy the course, how you see. So all the chapters is here on the left, and you can expand and watch all the lessons here. Okay, so it's all recorded. You can watch in your time, whatever you want, how many times you want, and uh, you also can using the Hotmart app, so you can watch in your cell phone or smartphone or any other mobile phone. And I have some disclaimers here, some files, so you can download the files. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Please let me know if you have any question or any other suggestion for this course. This course is for you guys. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any other question, feel free to reach me out using the comments below of this video, or send me an email. Feel free to reach me out if you have any question about the course. Okay. And that's it, guys. I hope to see you guys in your Telegram group and doing the training and learning how to be an expert using the Nokia OLT. All right. See you guys in the next time. Thank you.